When it comes to investing money, expert advise that you have a portfolio for investment and not just put all your eggs in one basket. Same applies if you are trying to work on your cholesterol level. You don't have to rely on a particular food, but expert advice you try other options of food. Good day, everyone, and welcome back to Nurses Lecture Room YouTube channel. My name is Mercy Mary, and today we are going to be sharing with you 11 food that can lower your cholesterol medication. So, if you've been diagnosed of high cholesterol level and you're thinking about what to eat, this particular video is for you. So, when you are being diagnosed of high cholesterol level, your doctor is likely going to prescribe some medications which are known as the statins to help you reduce your cholesterol level. While taking this medication, it is also advisable for you to work on your lifestyle and also the type of food you take in. So the number one on my list when it comes to the type of food you're going to take in is oats. Oats is very good. It contains fiber. The second one is Baileys and whole grain food. Yes, Baileys and whole grain. Then the third I have to share with you is nuts. You see those almond nuts, you see those walnuts and all other type of nuts you see. It is actually very good. Then the fourth I have to share with you is beans. Beans is also a fiber and it's good when it comes to lowering your cholesterol level. Then the fifth one I have to share with you is soy food, such as your soya milk, so that I saw your soy milk, your soybeans. They are also good when it comes to lowering your cholesterol level. Then the sixth one I have to share with you are your fruits, such as your berries, your blueberries, your strawberries, your grapes, and also citrus fruits. They are good when it comes to lowering your cholesterol level. Then the seventh one I want to share with you is eggplant and okra. You see, eggplant and okra, don't joke with them, especially when you are trying to lower your cholesterol level. Then the eighth one I want to share with you is your oil. Instead of you to be using butter, it's advisable for you to use your liquid vegetable oil, sunflower oil, canola oil, rather than using butter. So it's advisable for you to use the liquid form of those oil. Then the ninth one I want to share with you is that instead of you eating meat, it's advisable for you to replace it with fatty fish since you want fat. So eat fatty fish rather than meat. That's the ninth one. Then the 10th one I want to share with you is for you to eat food that are fortified with sterols and stanols. Sterols and stanols. These two is going to go a long way to help you. And you can get margarine and granola bars that are fortified with stanols. And sometimes even your juice and chocolates are fortified with stanols. Then the last one, which is not usually our favorite, we all know that sometimes fiber is not really the best food to eat. It might not be appealing. So fiber supplements might go a long way to help you reduce your cholesterol level. You see, all these 11 food I have just listed, there's a way they work in the body. The first, all those ones that have fiber in it, what they do is that they make sure that the cholesterol does not even go into the body. You get, they work on, they take the cholesterol out of the digestive system in such a way that it doesn't get to the blood. So that's one of the mechanism of action. While some of all this food, what they do is that they lower the low density lipoprotein, which is the bad cholesterol. Some of all this food would lower the bad cholesterol. While other stanols and sterols, what they do is that they inhibit the absorption of cholesterol into the body. They inhibit the absorption of cholesterol into the body. So this food I just listed, these are the different ways they manifest in our body to help reduce the cholesterol level. So if you are trying to reduce your cholesterol level while taking your medication that is prescribed by the doctor, lifestyle modification is very important. In my previous video, I talk about 7 ways to reduce the cholesterol level. You can also watch that particular video and get a lot of information. Trust me. So thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers, this is Nurse Mercy Mary saying thank you. Bye and see you in our next video.